I don't know if I will be able to contain my excitement, so I'm not going to. I'm actually gonna lose my mind. I'm actually going to lose my mind. I don't know what's in here, but I do know that they're dresses. So first of all, Lively Ghosts, thank you so much. Lindsay, truly, 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 from the bottom of my heart, this is huge. As a content creator who does like a multitude of things, I am very much variety. Like I stream, I play video games, I love makeup, and I talk about makeup constantly. Could talk about makeup and think about makeup 24/7. But when a brand sees me like for more than that, I don't know, it feels really cool. I love fashion a lot. I know I'm not the most fashionable person currently, but just wait. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm just gonna open this right now. I already know I'm excited. I have already heard from friends and mutuals. I know this is about to be good. They have kindly also, by the way, set up Courtney with them. You can use Courtney with them right now already. Anyway, this isn't like an ad or anything. It would be cool if it was, honestly. Could you imagine me having like a sponsored fashion post? I can see the vision now, actually. Anyway, I'm gonna open this. All right. Ooh. This is heavy. Also, you can see Petey's little ears over here in her little bed. If you're on YouTube, you can see that. If you're on my channel, you can see that. I already know which one this is. Stop. This is like orange velvet. Oh my god. Stop. Stop! There's more? There's more! Shut up. Literally shut up. But actually, let's talk about this. No. Cute! Oh, cute little sticker. I love stickers. I'm losing my mind. I don't even know which one to try first. But I kind of feel like since this one was already open, it's calling to me. And if I may just say, let me make sure I don't have makeup on my hands actually. Hold on. It feels quality already. Like this fabric feels like heavy and kind of dense in like a luxury way. Do you know what I'm saying? Stop. You're joking. This is a vampire dress, dude. I don't know. I don't know. I'm gonna put this on though. Hold on. Look at this. Look. Literally look at the material. It is so nice feeling. The details, these little bows. The collar. Literally look out. Literally watch out. I am obsessed. I don't even know what to do. I have no words actually, other than I feel so good. I'm gonna be honest, fashion is something that really, really intimidates me just because of the fashion industry in and of itself and the fashion people. And I haven't always had the most like welcoming experiences in general. And this feels so nice. Obviously, because it's a lovely, lovely gift. Like Lively Ghosts did not have to do this whatsoever. So I literally feel like it is like Christmas, but I also feel like I don't know, there's something about this that feels really, really special. Now listen, this is not the first fashion brand that I've reached out to or have wanted to either be affiliated with or work with or just be on like PR. It is certainly not. And I understand that sometimes people are looking for certain things or what have you, but it feels really, really nice. And these are all so beautiful. I can't wait to try them all on and I will probably cry. These feel really, really pretty and I want to feel really pretty in some dresses. So, ooh. But they also feel really cool too. So I love the vibe of the shop, of all of the stuff that they've released, from the decor to the rings to just the pins, everything is very, very cool and just so my vibe. I don't know, I keep saying vibe, but seriously. Anyway, let me know if there's something specific you want to see, or please do tell me your favorites from them, because I would love to know. And I'll probably put stuff in my stories if I haven't already, because I'm just so like, I'm trying to stay calm, but I don't know why, because I'm freaking out about this, and this just feels really cool. This feels really cool. I love fashion, and styling has always been so fun, and it's just, I feel like I'm finally letting myself like enjoy it and kind of like get into it a little bit more. So yeah. And these shoulders. Okay. As always, thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for watching. Follow me for more makeup, beauty, and now fashion content. And I will see you in the next video. Bye!